Hello everyone. Welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to sign up in Zoho. So our object and focus area, how to sign up in Zoho book. So let's move into the Google and search Zoho. So click on first link after search Zoho. Now click on sign up, not sign in. Sign up. Right now we are opening new account. So click on sign up. Start with your free account today. Now enter your email ID. Now sign up for free. After that, you will get a one OTP on your number. Enter the OTP. Now verify. Click on verify. After signing, scroll down. In Zoho, as you see, there's lots of thing we can do by using Zoho, like sales, marketing, service, finance work also, finance, email and emails, human resources, lots of things we can do by using Zoho. Right now we need a finance. We are working for finance. So coming to the finance, in finance, books. Now click on access Zoho books. Now you have to enter your organization name. Let's move into the PPT. Now see, the company name is ISID Tech Solution Private Limited. So write the organization name. Organization location India. Let's get started. Now you can select what it is, type of your company, agriculture, consulting, what is that? You have to select according to your company. Gaming company is a marketing, service, technology. Right now I said technology tech solution private limited is a service company. So service, state, you have to select the state. Maharashtra, language, English, time zone, Indian standard. Now get started. Click on get start. Now you can see you are signing Zoho book. So we have understand how to sign up in Zoho book. In next video, we will explore the Zoho book. So I hope you have understand how to sign up in Zoho. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt or any question, you can email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you everyone.